Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have an administrator account because removing a wallpaper lock edits system settings. Once confirmed, back up the registry Hive HKey current user /control panel /desktop so you can restore if needed. Next, close settings and any wallpaper management apps. Now open Registry Editor, Regedit immediately, type Regedit in Start, accept UAC, and pause to review keys. These steps ensure you can revert changes and prevent conflicts while you change the locking value. Once in the Registry Editor, go to HKey current user /control panel /desktop and locate values that force wallpaper or style. If a value like wallpaper is set and grayed out, delete or clear it. Make precise edits rather than broad deletions. Next, open gpedit. MSC if available. Under User Configuration, right arrow Administrative Templates, right arrow Desktop Wallpaper, set the policy to Not Configured. After changing both places, log off and back on. To finish, reboot or log off and back on so Windows applies the new settings, then open Personalization to set a different wallpaper. If the lock still persists, run gpupdate/force in an elevated command prompt, wait, and recheck the registry keys and group policy state. If anything breaks, import the reg backup you exported earlier to restore previous values. If you still see problems, make sure no third-party management software or domain policy is enforcing the wallpaper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.